In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Rob Booker Knoxville Divergence indicators in TradingView Pro with a quick and easy guide. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is visible, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is where all of TradingView's built-in and community indicators live. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators window. Inside this window, you'll see a few different tabs and categories. What you want to do next is click on the section labeled Technical. This area focuses on technical indicators and strategies, and it helps narrow things down so you're not scrolling through unrelated tools. Clicking on Technical will bring up a more focused list and give you a search bar at the top. Now, move your cursor to the search field at the top of that Indicators window. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you need, rather than browsing through long lists. Click into the search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. In the search bar, type the phrase Rob Booker Knoxville Divergence. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the available indicators. You should see the Rob Booker Knoxville Divergence indicator appear in the results below. When you see it in the list, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, usually in a separate panel or overlaid on the price, depending on how the script is designed. Once the indicator is on your chart, you may want to customize it so it fits your personal trading style. To do that, hover your mouse over the name of the indicator, either in the chart legend or at the top of the indicator panel. You'll see a small settings icon appear. Click on that to open the settings window. Here you can adjust things like colors, line styles, and any user inputs the creator has exposed. Take a moment to tweak these so the indicator is easy for you to read at a glance. If at any point you decide you don't want the indicator on your chart, you can remove it just as easily. Open the same settings or options menu next to the indicator's name, and this time click on Remove. The indicator will disappear from your chart, but you can always add it again using the same search process. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced charting tools and layouts, use the link in the video description to sign up. Once you're set up with Pro, you can repeat these steps on any chart and start incorporating the Rob Booker Knoxville Divergence indicator into your analysis.